Welcome everyone, my name is Omar Basal. I'm with Masik, a family office based in Saudi Arabia. We're joined today with Mr. Ziad Zein. He's with Aman Insurance, and I wanted to get his perspectives on Aman Insurance and their investments. So why don't you just start out with describing maybe the transformation that took place recently with Aman.
Thank you, Omar. It's a pleasure to be here with you guys, all of you on the side of FundForum Middle East for 2014. It's a real pleasure to be in this event for this year. Getting back to your question, Aman has gone good changes during the past few years. The financial crisis has hit us hard. We are one among the players here in the region, and we had to undergo the consequences of 2008, 2009, and whatever happened. Same as most of the companies, we had a great exposure to the local equity markets, but we had undergone several transformations trying to divest out of the local equity markets, maybe going into more stable private equity investments, trying to diversify away also into sukuks or into some funds that are basically regionally. We didn't go into the international side yet. We're trying to focus basically on the regional, and because it's an area that we understand the best. Yeah.
Sure. Now, as an insurance company, maybe if you can talk about what return targets you have to meet, or what liability requirements are there, so that you make sure to have a sufficient money for the policy holders.
It is, and I would like to emphasize that Aman is a takaful company, which makes us as a Sharia compliant. So our investment universe is restricted to everything that is Sharia compliant. Most of the insurance company that operates in the region relies on the support of multinational takaful and companies that are coming, or insurance takaful or reinsurers that are coming from outside. Our equities and our return on investment is considered mostly as a sweetener or additional value that comes to our shareholders. Mm-hmm. The model that the company is based on, or the level of risk that we retain, is mostly supported by the power of our reinsurance and retakaful company that is coming. So anything that we can do or achieve in terms of return is considered as a plus that will comes basically to our shareholders in the first rank and to the policyholder, because as structure of the takaful company, the gain is shared between the policyholder and the shareholders.
Understood. And today, what do you see as the greatest opportunity set in the MENA region?
The MENA region is still on the growth path, I believe it is. And I think sukuk would play another good role and would have a brilliant future. The experience with sukuk has been going on the rough side. It hasn't been growing as it is supposed to be, you know, because of the regulation and the fatwa and everything that's going. But now people understand it more. The opportunity is there, and the conglomerates and whatever companies has grown to survive the crisis, they are well structured, well fit, and I think it will be, they will be all encouraged to issue more sukuk as a diversification of their capital resources, which will present a good opportunity for the investors.
I guess my last question would maybe if you could, have you considered leasing funds or maybe trade finance funds, or are those not really offered in the region very much?
Unfortunately, they are not available as much as we hope in the region, but still it's I don't want to call it as sophisticated tools for us or for the region. They still need a little bit of room to be understood better, and but I believe they will find their way into the region.
Great. Well, I appreciate you joining us today, and I hope that was helpful for the audience in terms of understanding how Aman Insurance approaches their investment portfolio.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.